Okay, so it is Sunday, October 8th, 2017. It's like 6 p.m., I'd like to say. And, well, today something happened I never thought would happen. I got to 500 subscribers. So I just want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 500 subscribers. Like I said, I never thought that would happen. I mean, when I created my channel, I pretty much just wanted to make random videos, hotel tours and stuff like that, but started making actually putting good videos out. I mean, half decent videos. Well, I said it was warm. You can see both of my air conditioners are running right now. I filmed these at night on Tuesday while it was pouring down rain. The neighbor's train is off. Something that I'm really excited about, I'm probably going to be getting a drones pretty soon. Like probably for Christmas or something. We might get a drone. So I'll probably like fly it around the neighborhood and stuff and like look at air conditioners, but I won't even have to leave my house. If this works how I wanted to, then I'll just, fly it around the neighborhood and just get like bird's eye views of like air conditioners and stuff. But I won't even have to leave my house, so I won't have to take the risk of getting busted. But don't worry, I still will be filming air conditioners up close and stuff too. Let's go look at some other units. Alright, so look what I came across in the alley. This little stray cat. Actually, I don't think it's stray because it has a collar. I think I've seen it before. Actually, I don't know. Oh, look at that. There's another cat over there. What the heck? There's two cats over here. Man, he's tiny. Or she, I don't know. Dude, we might actually catch a cat fight on camera. Let's go take a look at this other cat over here. I don't like doing this because I'm in these people's yard, but... Oh, I scared him. He's cute. I don't want to pet him because I don't know if he'll bite or not. It kind of looks like actually my brother's apartment cat. I'll be uploading that video. I might put that video in this video. I also have a bunch of videos I took this summer I never uploaded. So I'll just put like a bunch of videos in this one video. But yeah, that's interesting. There's two cats. It kind of looks like Pippin a little bit, except it's a lot smaller than Pippin. It's a little bit different color. This thing is rusty. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking to see Pippin. So yeah, I figured I'll show him in this video. We got him this nice, comfy bed right here. He used to have like a smaller one, but he like outgrew it. He is pretty big, so. But yeah, I will be making just like a separate video of him soon. Just like by himself. Nothing else in it. So some of our Halloween decorations. You know, obviously, Halloween's coming up here pretty soon, so we got these 3 pumpkins. Got a big pumpkin, a medium-sized pumpkin, and a little baby pumpkin right here. That's kind of cool. We just got these today, actually. And, you know, I'm going to be making a video on Halloween. I have this really scary mask. Last year I did this. I didn't take a video of it. I put it on, like, this big duster, and I just, like, moved it around in that window right there and scared the crap out of some little kids that were coming to our house. So I will be making a video of myself doing that this year. Yeah. Okay, so me and Team Brandish are at the bank right now. It's a Sunday, so we should be good. It's actually Father's Day. And here we have 4 train units that I've filmed before. Oh, they're heat pumps, 2006. This is a 4 train. It's the only one running. This is a little one right here. Alright, XB13. It's a 1.5 ton, it looks like. In 2006. This is a heat pump too from 2006. I wonder if that XB13 right there is, I mean, these are all XB13s, but I wonder if they're all heat pumps or if that little one isn't. I don't know. This is a heat pump too. It's also 2006, so I would assume that little one's a heat pump, but I could be wrong. Alright. Yeah. So why not? Okay, here are a couple Goodman air conditioners right here. This one's off. This is obviously a newer one right here. It's a 2-ton from 2012. This one is I think a 1.5 ton. I'm not sure on the serial number. Okay, 1997. Alright, anyways. Let's film right now. Dakin unit right here. It's a 1.5 ton from 2007, it looks like.